Hello and welcome back to the channel. Thanks for stopping by for another video. I do appreciate that. Here we got a story here on ABC News. It says Hurricane Irma forecast to strike Florida Keys as a Category 5. Nowhere will be safe. So there's been some major updates as far as the direction, the path of Irma, as well as the fact that it's now going to be a Category 5. It says Hurricane Irma is now forecasted at Florida Keys as a Category 5. Meteorologists expect Irma to make landfall on the Keys between 5 a.m. and 7 a.m. Eastern on Sunday. Overnight projections of Irma's path showed less of a threat to the Carolinas as the monster storm appeared to likely be to move directly up the middle of Florida and curve inland. As you can see where it's supposed to be 5 a.m. Sunday. Says the National Weather Service Key West office issued a dire warning in the wake of the updated forecast. And here it is right here. It says, this is as real as it gets. Nowhere in the Florida Keys will be safe. You still have time to evacuate. Please retweet. So, I mean, this is a very, very dangerous and destructive storm. So I really hope that everyone listens. And even if you feel like you don't have anywhere to go, find a shelter, something, and don't just leave your pets either. I hear so many stories of families just leaving their pets. To me, I don't see how you do that. Like, to me, my pets are my family, so maybe, I get everybody maybe feels different about their pets or whatnot, but like if you're in this situation, yes, get your family out. Your family is the most important. So is your pet. To me, your pets should be your family too. I'm just saying. But anyways, we'll get off of that because I don't want to upset nobody. This is obviously Hurricane Irma continues to be a threat that is going to devastate the United States, Brock Long, administrator of the Federal Emergency Management Agency, said at a press conference Friday morning. We're going to have a couple of rough days. Irma was downgraded from a Category 5 to a Category 4 storm earlier Friday morning as of 8 p.m. Eastern. The storm was moving west at 12 miles an hour. With its southwestern eye wall moving over towards the north coast of Cuba, and was located 350 miles southeast of Miami. The National Hurricane Center cautioned that Irma is extremely dangerous, maximum sustained winds of 155 miles per hour, which are strong enough to uproot trees, bring down power poles, and rip off the roofs of some exterior walls of well-built framed houses. And here you could you see the path. It's not directly down the middle, but it's pretty much it's going to affect the entire state of Florida, just about. Since the National Hurricane Center issued its first hurricane warnings of Florida overnight, warning residents the preparations to protect life should be rushed to completion. It says an estimated 1.2 million Florida residents have been ordered to evacuate. Now here's your watches and your warnings right here, and then your storm surge they're saying is going to be 5 to 10 feet. This is just, this is going to be a bad storm. So if we haven't learned anything from Harvey, then I don't know. I mean, I really don't know what to say. Like, just please, if you're watching this, or if just leave the area. Like, it's getting bad. Now here you can see some of the projected storm surges. It says 6 to 8 feet, 5 to 10 feet, 3 to 6 feet. So this is the forecast there of the storm surges. Now here's the rainfall. You're talking, it says likely to receive 6 to 10 inches of rain and up to 20 inches locally from Hurricane Irma. So here again, we're going to have destruction, powerful winds, devastation, and then on top of that, we're going to have these storm surges and flooding and flash flood. It's an estimated 1.8 million Floridians have been ordered to evacuate. So okay, up here it said like 1.2, but this one down here says 1.8. So, I was just wanting to update that real quick, as this is a very, very powerful storm. So I just want to give a quick update that it's going to, so it's actually a Category 5. But yeah, I think what happened was it was a four. And wait, what did it? Okay, it was. It says it was a five. Then it dropped to a four. But I believe it's going to re-strengthen, and I think it already has. Right? I mean, it says it's a category five now. So I think it's going to re-strengthen, or if it hasn't already, it's going to strengthen into a category five, even though the article says it is. But again, I just wanted to give a quick update. It's already left so much destruction and devastation along the way. I just pray, my thoughts and prayers go out to everyone that's already been affected and everyone in the path. Just please listen to these evacuation orders, just please, and make sure you get your family and your pets to safety if all possible. I know shelters probably don't allow pets, so I don't know. I don't know what I would do in a situation like that if I had to go to a shelter. I would never leave my pets, though. That's just my opinion. But regardless, I do appreciate every single one of you for watching. I hope you all have a blessed day. Peace.